Matte lipsticks, where are you? Because lip oil, gloss, balm are trending in 2025. I've got a mix of affordable plus mid range. First is L18. Oh my god, lip gloss. This is in the shade Brownie Babe. This is a mauvey brown. This retails for 175 rupees and the quantity is for 2.5 ml. Look at that, it's great for dusky beauties. It suits all skin types. It's glossy yet non sticky. Next up, we have a recent favorite. This is the Conscious Chemist's Lush Lips, and this is the multi-peptide and shea butter lip balm with SPF 15, and the shade is Raspberry Gummy. You get 15 grams of quantity for rupees 329 rupees. This is a great shade, a berry shade for all brown skin girls. It looks yummy, tastes yummy as well. It's glossy and hydrating, bit thick as a lip oil. Best in the budget. It doesn't leave a tint, but great for everyday wear. Here is my favorite lip oil, which is the Lip Elixir from My Hughes. She has named it correctly. This is an elixir for lips. The shade is Amya. You get 5 ml of product for 699 rupees, but you can often see discounts on Amazon. It's suitable across all skin tones. And this is so hydrating, guys, and so soft on the lips like butter. And the shade goes well with every skin tone you can name. This is the best. It smells like vanilla caramel. Yummy. This is Mars Lip Drip Mist in the shade Cocoa Drip. I had to wait for very long to get to this shade because it was out of stock everywhere. Finally, I got it from Nika. This retails for 299 rupees for the quantity of 4.5 ml, and this does leave a tint, as you all know, and this is brown girl friendly. This has the subtle tint of all the drip lip mists that they have. Well, I had to include the Mars Dragon Fruit Lip Balm. This is for 150 bucks for 3 grams of product because of the glossy texture and the tint that this one leaves. It's too good for all brown skin girls out there. I blotted down with the tissue paper and look at that. It's a nice pink. Well, that's all about it. Let me know which is your favorite. Take care. Bye.